yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey babies, welcome back. So if you guys have not seen already, I did do a very full tutorial on how I got these really cute and curly bangs on this flip over wig. Literally no combs, no clips, no sew, no nothing. I just put it on, and this is another video where I was just kind of trying to figure out how I wanted to kind of change up the hair a little bit. So yeah, this is that. This is still my Yiroo hair, or Yiroo hair. So I decided to go ahead and do a really curly I guess blunt cut. It's kind of like a bob, and so I did do this a little bit longer than I've been doing my bobs usually. As you guys can see, I pulled all the hair back into a low bun. This is kind of where I was like, do I really want to cut it? But yeah, I did really want to cut it. So anyway, I did go ahead and just use my scrunchie to literally pull it into a ponytail, pulled it down to the length that I wanted, and I'm literally cutting the entire ponytail. The reason that you do that is because the hair is kind of over directed, so the shortest part will be in the back, and then of course it'll like slowly cascade in a diagonal motion to the front. So as you can see, really clean cut. This is gonna be super simple and easy for beginners, you guys. I promise you, your bob will come out perfect every single time. Do you see that? Literally every single time. You can definitely go in and clean up if you feel the need to, but I didn't. I wanted it to be a really messy, kind of loose wave curly bob, and that's exactly what it was. The hair will still drying a little bit, as you can see, so it will have a little bit of texture by the time it fully dried up. I could have cut just a little bit more on the side, but disregard. This is pretty much what the hair looks like, guys. It's really soft, curly, bouncy. This is going to be an effortless vacation type of wig to just like literally throw on. And as you know, spring break is coming up, so girls, if you're looking for something, definitely try to go with a deep wave or a curly texture if you can, and just leave your real hair tucked away. That way you get wet, you don't have to worry about being thrown into the pool, you're fine. If you're like me and you don't have eyebrows, yeah, go for the bangs. It worked out every single time. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. I will be doing these little hidden giveaways in my videos. If you comment below with the emoji, it's a sunflower. And so if you didn't see the last one, make sure you check it out. Watch the entire video. You don't want to miss these giveaways. Anyway, nevertheless, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you next time.